Hey there. Welcome back to another exciting video on AI Money Multiplier. Today, we will explore an incredible topic that's been making waves in the YouTube world. Recently, I stumbled upon a captivating YouTube channel called Top 5s that has taken a unique approach to video creation. And folks, it's mind-blowing. Can you believe it? Top 5s has managed to capture the hearts and minds of hundreds of thousands, even millions of viewers, all without revealing a single face or using any voice commentary. I mean, talk about intrigue, right? They've harnessed the power of visuals and content, amassing a staggering 36 million monthly views. That's like a digital phenomenon in action. But wait, it gets even crazier. When I delved into their earnings on Social Blade, I was floored. Brace yourselves. This channel rakes in a monthly income ranging from $9,100 to an astonishing $145,000. That's like $4,800 a day, people. And let's be real, they're likely closer to the upper end of that spectrum. We're talking about potential earnings of $100,000 to $145,000 per month. Now here's the kicker. They do all this without showing their faces or uttering a single word in some cases. So I had to ask myself, could I do it too? Could I jump on the no-face YouTube bandwagon? And folks, today I'm sharing that journey with you, so buckle up. In this video, we're going to break down the exact steps to create your very own no-face YouTube channel. From leveraging advanced software to embracing AI for scripting and riding the wave of text-to-speech technology for voiceovers, I'm showing you how it's done. But before we dive in, hit that like button and smash that subscribe bell if you're as intrigued as I am by this whole no-face phenomenon. Plus, I've got a special treat for you. I'm going to walk you through the process by creating an actual no-face video right here, right now. To begin, let's address a fundamental question. What category of no-face YouTube channel should you consider starting? With a lot of ideas spanning diverse topics, it's essential to pinpoint which type of faceless channel is most suitable for your interests and goals. I urge you to consider three crucial criteria, with the ideal scenario being that the channel you initiate fulfills all of these criteria. Firstly, your chosen channel should be easy to start. If it demands significant effort and proves challenging to initiate, you're likely to lose motivation and not sustain the commitment required for consistent video production. Secondly, your channel's model must be easy to replicate and automate. This implies that the creation process for your no-face videos should follow a consistent pattern, enabling you to leverage tools for automation and minimize unnecessary hurdles. Lastly, it shouldn't take you a long time to create videos. If you find yourself spending excessive days on a single video, it's not an optimal situation. The right tools and guidance should enable you to create these videos efficiently, as you'll soon witness. As an illustrative example, consider a channel that seamlessly meets all three of these criteria. The content approach employed by Top 5s. Our endeavor involves establishing a channel in the same niche, thereby replicating the strategy. We'll delve into the actual video creation process shortly, but I'd like to briefly address a critical aspect: how to find video ideas for your no-face channel. It's vital to avoid randomly selecting video topics once you've conceptualized your channel. So how can we determine which videos are likely to perform well and amass substantial views? Allow me to share a personal strategy I've employed since the inception of my own YouTube channel, a strategy I refer to as above the baseline. Here's how it works. Begin by identifying around 6 prominent channels within your niche. For each of these sizable channels, navigate to their YouTube page and select the Videos section. Proceed to sort the videos by Most Popular. This action will unveil the collection of videos that have performed exceptionally well for that channel. Your task is to jot down the titles of the top 10 highest performing videos across all 6 prominent channels. The rationale behind this exercise lies in the likelihood that videos that have resonated with audiences on other channels will also garner substantial interest on your own channel. By adopting this strategy, you can replicate these successful videos while incorporating your own unique twist. Consequently, you'll amass a repository of over 60 potential video ideas. That is the first thing you need to do. The next step is to return to the videos and change the sorting to Newest. Here, you're looking for videos with higher views compared to the channel's usual views. Let me explain. When I go through these videos, I can see the baseline views. This is the average number of views a channel gets from the last 10 videos. To calculate it, Just add the views of the last 10 videos and divide by 10. For this channel, the average views are around 15,000 to 60,000, so the baseline is roughly 37,000 views per video. With this baseline in mind, I'll scroll through videos to find those that go way above it. For instance, while most videos get about 37,000 views, there's one with over 650,000 views. This tells me that people really liked that video. I'll write down the title and views compared to the baseline. This helps you come up with many video ideas. Another method I used when starting my channel was using YouTube's auto-suggest. This gives you suggestions as you type. It's powerful because these are popular searches. For example, start with top 10, and you'll get trending ideas. With these strategies, you can find many video concepts. Now let's discuss making videos, starting with step 1, writing the script. Usually, scripting a 10 to 15-minute video takes 8 to 15 hours. Using AI like ChatGPT speeds it up. Let's say we're making a video about the best places in the US. Ask ChatGPT, put the list in a Google Doc, and add details. This gets you a script in an hour, not many hours. Moving on to video creation, InVideo is the easiest tool to use. Here's the thing. If you want to take this seriously, you have to be willing to invest in the right tools. They have 3 different pricing tiers: free, business, and unlimited. InVideo speeds up video creation, even with voiceovers. With InVideo, you pick a template and put in your script. There are a lot of different ways to go about this, but the way that I found works best is if you have the very first line introducing the point. So for example, number 1, the lover's bridge. And after that first line, you need to press enter to create a line break, move to the next line, and do the same thing for the rest of the script. Customize text boxes with images or videos. InVideo's AI voiceovers work well. It also balances the voiceover with music, so it complements and then customizes the visuals and flow, and you're set. You'll end up with a polished video quickly. Now, if you're inclined, you have the option to remove these text boxes and solely feature images or videos. Personally, I prefer having text on the screen, as it adds a touch of interest to the video. However, it's not mandatory. To remove them, click on the text box and press the delete key on your keyboard. Once you are content with the video and satisfied with the final result, proceed to the export section. Choose 1080p quality, and after the export is complete, your video is ready for uploading onto YouTube. You can take the video file provided by InVideo, upload it to your YouTube channel, and repeat this process for future videos. You've just witnessed how straightforward this process is. If you're serious about starting a no-face YouTube channel, share your channel name in the comments. I'll personally look up your channel and become one of your initial subscribers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.